Welcome to Beautyistic, where we're all about discovering products that not only promise, but actually deliver real results. Today, we're diving into something that's been buzzing in the hair care world, Surface Hair's Awaken Kit. If you're struggling with thinning hair or hair loss, this might just be the solution you've been looking for. Let's break it down and see if this kit really lives up to the hype. The Surface Hair Awaken Kit includes a shampoo, conditioner, scalp elixir, and a therapeutic treatment, all formulated specifically for those dealing with thinning hair. What's interesting about this kit is that it's packed with certified organic botanicals, and it's free from sulfates, gluten, parabens, and is vegan. The brand promises that these products will not only cleanse and condition, but also help to promote thicker, fuller hair over time. Starting with the shampoo and conditioner, both are cream-based formulas, which is ideal for people with thinning hair. You need something gentle yet effective, and these two seem to deliver on that front. The shampoo lathers up nicely without the harsh sulfates, and the conditioner leaves your hair feeling moisturized, not weighed down. This is crucial because when you're dealing with fine or thinning hair, you don't want to add any extra weight that could make it look limp. Now, the scalp elixir and therapeutic treatment are where things get interesting. These two are marketed to actively promote hair growth and prevent further hair thinning. I was a little skeptical at first. I mean, can a product really do all that? But after consistent use, I did notice my scalp felt less dry and irritated, and my hair seemed to have a little more volume. While it's too early to claim miraculous results, there's a definite improvement in terms of overall scalp health, which in turn can be crucial for healthy hair growth. In terms of texture, the products feel luxurious. The shampoo is smooth and creamy, and the conditioner has that velvety slip that makes detangling a breeze. The scalp elixir is lightweight, which is important because you don't want anything heavy clogging your pores or weighing down your roots. The therapeutic treatment has a slightly thicker consistency, but it absorbs well and doesn't leave any greasy residue. Pros: the biggest one is the ingredient list. Organic botanicals, sulfate-free, gluten-free, and vegan. That ticks a lot of boxes for anyone concerned about what's going into their hair care. The scent is light and fresh, not overpowering at all, which I personally love. And there's no denying the performance. The kit made my hair feel fuller, healthier, and more manageable after just a few uses. But of course, no product is without its cons. The price point is a bit higher than some drugstore brands, so it may not fit everyone's budget, especially when you need to commit to the full kit. The other downside is that, while the products do work for thinning hair, they're not a quick fix. It's something you'll need to stick with for a few weeks to really see noticeable results. Patience is key with a product like this. Now, is this kit worth the price? If you're someone who's looking for clean, high-quality hair care that works over time to improve hair thickness, it's a solid choice. The ingredients are top-notch, and while the results may take a little time, the improvements in hair and scalp health can be worth it for those struggling with thinning hair. In comparison to other products on the market, it's definitely on the pricier side. But it also comes with the peace of mind that you're not putting any harsh chemicals into your scalp. You're getting a product that aligns with clean beauty standards, which is a big plus in today's world of beauty. As for build quality, I appreciate that the packaging is sleek and functional. It's not the most eco-friendly packaging I've seen, but it's sturdy and easy to use. There's no waste, and the pump system works well, especially with the shampoo and conditioner. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, there are options out there that focus on volumizing and thickening, but they may not deliver the same level of care for your scalp. Products with sulfate and paraben-free formulations will be more common in this price range, but they might lack the organic botanicals that Surface Hair includes. In conclusion, if you're battling thinning hair or hair loss, the Surface Hair Awaken Kit is worth trying, especially if you're into clean, cruelty-free beauty. While the price may make you pause, it's a solid investment for long-term results. Just be prepared to stick with it for a while to see real benefits. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the description box for the link to purchase this kit. Have you tried this product? Drop a comment below. Let's chat about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.